Power grids around the world are facing serious challenges. Their aging infrastructure is prone to blackouts and vulnerable to extreme weather events. Outdated designs are unable to effectively integrate renewable energy sources. Power grids are not keeping up with the rising energy demand from growing populations and industry sectors. However, building more power lines doesn't solve these issues. The average transmission line costs millions of dollars to build and maintain and can take as long as 10 years to complete. It took us 100 years to build our current grid, and global energy demand is set to triple by 2050. More hardware is not the answer. The solution is to use digital tools to create a smarter power grid.
Enline is developing software solutions to enhance energy grids and provide a more efficient, reliable, and sustainable service. Our sensorless digital twin technology utilizes the power of AI to create precise replicas of electric assets, granting real-time and predictive monitoring for transmission and distribution networks. Enline solutions increase revenue by boosting transmission capacity, reducing congestion and curtailment, and facilitating renewables integration into the grid. With advanced distribution management tools, we reduce power outages by quickly identifying faults, isolating affected areas, and rerouting energy, ensuring a continuous and reliable service. Our software prevents system overloads, manages vegetation proactively, and mitigates the effect of wildfires and extreme weather events, reducing downtime and operational costs across the entire power grid. With smart design simulations, we can optimize projects digitally, reducing CapEx and OpEx before new assets are built in the real world. All of this can be done without additional sensors, downtime, or maintenance. Our setup is done 100% remotely over the internet, much faster than traditional hardware monitoring, offering a cost-effective, scalable, and sustainable solution.
The grid of tomorrow demands smarter monitoring and management. Enline is powering that future today.